Say, you running on the road, so get out the way.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Cowboy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to run specific nodes in Kedro. So back in our data processing pipeline, we know that there's multiple nodes. In fact, there are three nodes. There's pre-process companies, pre-process shuttles, and create model input table. Um, One thing that's helpful is instead of running pipelines from end to end, maybe you need just to run certain nodes in the pipeline. I do this when pipelines take a long time to run, um, or if I'm debugging a pipeline, I want to be able to see what's taking certain nodes long or what's failing nodes. So in the Kedro CLI, there's two commands. There's Kedro from node, and then there's Kedro to node. So Kedro from node will let you start from a specific node in the pipeline. But you have to remember, if we're not storing any of these data sets to a storage somewhere, Kedro is not going to be able to just create it out of thin air. A good example is if we go to the catalog YAML file, remove our model input table. If we remove this from the catalog and run and delete it from storage, um, run data processing pipeline, nothing's going to get saved because it's not cataloged. It's just going to be one of those in-memory data sets. And so what we want to do, that's just something you need to remember as you're running, as you're slicing and dicing your pipelines, running from specific nodes or specific pipelines. So in this case, we're going to do Kedro run from node. The node here is, let's do pre-process shuttle. I'm running pre-process shuttles because I know that the input is in O1 raw. So the node itself can pick up this data set because it's in storage and not in memory. So we'll go ahead and run that. And what should happen is it'll run, oh, there we go. So we had a typo there. It's from nodes. Pre-process shuttle. Cool. This is going to make the base starting point pre-process shuttles. And it's going to run the entire pipeline. Oh, because the name is right here. So you can't run the actual function. You have to run the name, pre-process shuttles node. Let's do that again. And so now it's starting the project from pre-process shuttle nodes. Cool. So I'm going to kill this process, and then I'm also going to specify two nodes. So I can actually go from and to nodes. And in this case, let's just do create model input. So we're running from pre-process shuttles to create model input. Yeah, didn't like that because I didn't have the. Oh. And okay, so it should only run two nodes, pre-process shuttle and create model input table node. So as you guys are creating these nodes and these pipelines, that's why we put this name field here, is because it allows us to run, it allows us to slice and dice our nodes and our pipelines in the CLI. Thanks.